So a common question I get with YouTube ads is, hey, which do you prefer, target CPA or maximize conversions? What are the results like with maximize conversions with YouTube ads? And what are the scenarios where you would use? Now first, let's quickly talk about what they are. So maximize conversions is a bidding type, right? So it basically allows you to bid for the most amount of conversions you can get in that ad spend. So let's say you give Google a budget for $1,000 a day. Google will try to get the most number of conversions it can for the $1,000 a day. Now, target CPA is a different type of bidding type where you're telling Google, hey, I want to pay $20 per conversion, get me conversions as long as it's below $20 or at $20. So maximize conversions is really most conversions possible for a certain ad spend. Target CPA is, hey, let's try to stick to this acquisition cost and you may not spend all the budget, right? Now, with maximize conversions, it can be useful in certain scenarios, but in most scenarios, we found target CPA to give us better results, cheaper leads, and just overall just better. However, for example, let's say you're running a launch and you have a very limited amount of time, you have a certain budget, you want to get as many leads as possible, and you know this funnel or this launch is going to convert really well, so you're okay with the cost per lead going up a bit if you can get those sales. In that case, yes, maximize conversions could be a good option because sometimes those target CPA campaigns may take some time to get up and running, they might not spend, etc. So those maximize conversions could get you the most amount of conversions. Target CPA, on the other hand, in a situation like that might take a few days to start spending, maybe your bid isn't high enough, and it could just basically result in you missing out on the maximal number of leads. Another option where maximize conversions could be an option is, let's say if you're starting a new account and you don't have enough conversions. In that case, you can start with cost per view bidding, which is our agency SOP, is to start with CPV campaigns, but you can also try out testing maximize conversions and see if that kind of kickstarts the algorithm. Both are valid options. Now, a third scenario where maximize conversions can be really, really useful is, let's say your target CPA campaigns just stop spending, they're not working. In that case, you can get those maximize conversion campaigns and give them a try to see if they can get the account running again. So then you can again restart those target CPA campaigns at a later point. So they can be useful for when, let's say, you're having issues with your target CPA campaigns and getting them to spend, which, as I said in the first example with launches, that can happen and you might need to use maximize conversions to get you those conversions in. So yeah, guys, hopefully that was useful. So I really hope that helped you guys out. In summary, we prefer target CPA in most scenarios. However, there are a couple scenarios where maximize conversions can be useful. And if you do want to learn more about YouTube ads, I have a 26-page YouTube ads targeting guide. The link is in the description. Check that out. And if you like this video, subscribe, ask any questions in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And thanks for watching.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground.